Golek buka-buka mana.
Yan. Opa ka tadi jadi juga sana kak isi saat. Udah dah tanya juga.
It's fire, it's freedom, it's flying open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your partner passion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall. It's holding on that you know. So tell me, do you want to go? We're carrying our lives. Where the runaways are running the night. Impossible come true. It's taking over you. We light it up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true. It's taking over you. Colossal, we come these renegades in the ring. Where the lost get found and the crown of the circus king. Don't fight it, it's coming for your audience. Don't fight it, it's coming for your audience. It's only this moment, forget what comes after. It's blinding and shining, anything that you know. Just a minute, pressure coming and you want to go. We're carrying our colored lights. Where the runaways are running the night. Possible blows to intoxicate you. Light it up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Except do you ever want? Except do you ever need? That's him right in front of you. Just a ray of wanna be. It's coming in on the color line. When the runaways are running the night. Possible come true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. It's coming in on the color lights. When the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down. And the walls can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Cause everyone's right in front of you. And you see the impossible is coming true. And the walls can't stop us now.
Dah tanya
Dah
kursi.
panen juga.